Hello everyone, I'm ErrorSlayer. Today I'll show you how to fix lag in online games. I recommend following each step carefully. If you're ready, let's get started. First, click on the Show Hidden Icons button at the bottom right and see your applications currently running in the background. You can see my currently active background applications. Since I don't need Steam right now, I'll close it. You should also check yours and close any applications you're not currently using. Now we move on to step 2. Type run in the search bar and open the run command. Type temp in the command window that opens and click the OK button. Delete everything in the opened folder. If you receive such a warning, don't worry. It means that some files you're trying to delete are currently open. Check the Do This for All Current Items box and click Skip. Open the Run command again and this time type %temp% and click OK. Delete everything in this folder too. Don't forget to empty the recycle bin too. Now, type Background Apps in the search bar and open the Background App settings. If you want, disable them all or check them one by one and disable the ones you do not use. In our last step, type Control Panel in the search bar and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. You should check the High Performance box here. If you're using a laptop, this may cause your battery to drain faster, so be careful. Also, don't forget to restart your computer after all these steps. I hope you found this tutorial video on how to fix lag in online games helpful. If so, please subscribe to the ErrorSlayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.